Okay, if you're ready, let's continue. Let's consider several important mechanisms for increasing of ideality. As we did in talk, we can increase ideality via increasing the useful amount of useful function, via decreasing of cost, via yield of some harmful function, remember it. When we talk about cost for purchase, it is a special philosophical direction, and we call this philosophical direction as trimming. About trimming, we will talk about something later. Right now, let's consider only important approach for increasing of ideality. As I mentioned, we can increase ideality via increasing of some parameter for cost, via increasing of some useful function. For example, mechanism number one, how we can increase ideality, for knife. We have only one function, knife. Necessary think about other function also. Mechanism number one, not so much difficult. Knife, function one, function two,
카드 이상성을 어떻게
function
높일
three.
수 있을까요?
Spoon.
다른 기능까지 할 수 있게 추가를 자르는 것뿐 아니라.
And by the way, you remember our first day of education in level 1, 40 principles. What kind of principle you can recognize here? Please refresh your knowledge.
맥가이버 칼 비슷하게
What kind of
나오는데
principle?
몇 번이죠? 발명원리 몇 번? 뭐죠?
6번 다용도.
Yeah, 6.
Absolutely correct answer. Principle number 6. Principle number 6.
이렇게 다른 종류의 기능이 추가되는 거가 6번입니다. 다기능, 다용도, 다용성.
In our discipline, every part is very important because our discipline is a system. Looks like as puzzles. And if you forgot for the principle, you lost some puzzles. It will be difficult for calculative ideas. And please, try keep in your brain every part in our education, not lost useful information for calculation of ideas. And it is the reason why I every time try to refresh your knowledge about previous materials. What is mean ideal final result? What is mean principles? We stopped in our previous part of lessons about model of ideal final result. Ideal final result.
자, 다른 창의적인 발상 기법들이 구체적으로 어떻게 하라는 조언은 없고 그냥 뭐 이렇게 생각해라, 뭐 다른 사람을 비판하지 말아라, 뭐 자유롭게 뭘 해라 이 정도밖에 안 한다면 트리제는 되게 많은 기법들이 구체적으로 어떻게 생각할지에 대한 아주 구체적인 힌트들을 줍니다. 제일 구체적인 것 중에 하나가 40가지 발명 원리이고요. 다른 것들은 좀 더 포괄적이고 굵직굵직한 방향을 말해주는 것들이 있는데 아까 40가지 발명 원리 갑자기 딱 물으니까 생각이 잘 안 나셨잖아요. 계속 그걸 훈련을 하셔서 그 40가지 발명 원리도 다 엮여져 있습니다. 아이디얼리티 높이는 쪽 할 때도 뒤쪽에는 40가지 발명 원리를 같이 생각을 해야 아이디어가 더 잘 나오기 때문에 모든 기법들에 다 훈련을 하시려고 생각을 하시는 게 좋습니다.
Ideal final result, it is ancient technologies for follow the logic of ideality. Ideal final result description located in principle 25. What name of principle 25? Who can help me? Principle 25? Self-service, absolutely correct. Really. And according to this psychologist, platform psychologist super, you must organize your thinking regarding to important key words in your reasoning. One word, in my technical system, there is some X element. I don't know what is an X element. And it is creative impact for left part of your brain. There is some X element. It is one keyword. Next, after this you must think, my technical system has some disadvantage. And for kill this disadvantage, I have some X element, I don't know what is mean. But during application of this X element, my technical system can itself kill my disadvantage. Itself. Keyword number 2. And it is creative impact for right part of your brain. Okay, system 2 creative effects, 2 creative impacts for your brain can help for you obtain new vision to your problems.
자, 이상성이 제일 높은 상황은 인풋이 없고 아웃풋만 있는 상황이죠. 문제 해결에 있어서는 아무 뭐 추가 부품이나 추가 비용이 안 들어갔는데 문제가 저절로 해결되는 거, 그게 IFR입니다. 이상적인 최종 결과입니다. 어떤 문제가 주어졌을 때 IFR은 제일 이상성이 높은 방식으로 문제를 해결하는 방식입니다. 그래서 IFR을 어떻게 찾느냐 하면 2가지 힌트를 말씀해 주셨는데요. 저는 뒤에 거 먼저 설명드리겠습니다. 저절로 문제가 있어요. 예를 들어서 아까 담배 문제가 있었잖아요. 담배 여러 가지 문제가 있죠. 담배 말고 뭐가 있을까요? 어떤 뭐 기술 시스템이 있을 때 여기에 무슨 문제가 있어요. 무슨 문제가 있죠? 가끔 뭐 열어놓고 말라버리는 수가 있겠죠. 자, 첫 번째 IFR은 뭐냐면 여기에 뭐 안 마르기 위해서 뭐 어떤 조치를 하고 하면 비용이 올라가잖아요. 근데 비용 안 올라가게 얘가 저절로 지 혼자서 스스로 그 문제를 해결할 방법이 없을까? 아무것도 추가 안 했는데 그렇게 한번 물어보는 겁니다. 그게 1번이고요. 그러니까 크리에이티브 임팩트라고 말씀하신 게 창의적인 자극, 힌트 뭐 그런 겁니다. 2번째 X 요소가 도와줘서 그걸 해결할 수 있는 게 뭘까? 저절로라는 것은 새로운 비용이나 뭐 물질이나 이런 게 새로운 에너지가 추가 안 됐다는 말인데, 그러려면 그 X 요소하고 저절로가 이렇게 둘 다 만족이 되려면 있는 것 중에 무엇이, 이미 가지고 있는 것 중에 무엇이 도와줘서 저절로 해결이 되게 할 수 있을까라고 물어볼 수 있어요. 이미 있는 거는 뚜껑 이미 있죠. 뚜껑을 살짝만 바꿔서 그 문제가 해결되게 할 수 없을까? 아니면 요 원체를, 잉크를, 요 포로스라는 스펀지를, 아니면 공기도 기존에 있는 거죠. 공기를 이용해서 이걸 할 수 없을까? 공기 중에 있는 수분을 이용해서 이걸 할 수 없을까? 라고 기존에 있는 물질들, 기존에 있는 에너지들만 가지고 문제를 해결하는 쪽으로 제일 먼저 생각합니다. 아무 추가 물질 없이, 아무 추가 비용 없이.
Then we can consider very easy example. For example, I need to drink this juice. For drinking this juice, I need have cup. But let's imagine I forgot cup, and how I can do? Only via this approach. It is not convenient because I can spoil my clothes.
저 페트병에 어떤 문제가 있나요? 음료수용 페트병에 문제가 있나요? 문제가 없다고 보면 없지만 찾아보면 또 있습니다. 컵을 가지고 가는 걸 잊어버리면 충분히 잊어버릴 수 있잖아요. 소풍 가는데 컵을 사는 걸 잊어버렸어요. 그럼 그냥 마시거나 뭐 서로 막 오염이 되거나 병 옮거나 뭐 그런 문제들이 있죠. 오케이.
Step number 1 in our discipline looks like a step number 1 in medicine. When you go to doctor first of all define your disadvantage, your symptoms, your disease. In this case, what is the disease? You can define. Oh, first of all, I can obtain harmful function. Next, for drink juice, I need spend my time for go to shop. I need spend my time, parameter second, for go to shop and purchase. Okay, we define step number 1. We define 2 important criteria, 2 important parameters for improve for our products. First of all, for example, time. How I can decrease time? Okay, I begin think. In my technical system, there is some X element. This X element can help itself kill my disadvantage. I define my disadvantage. I spend my time. Okay, your ideas, colleague. you obtain two creative thinking. And my new design of battle can help for you itself kill disadvantage spending of time. What the ideas?
컵이 없는 문제는 여기 분류 체크를 하면 컵이 없으면 컵 사러 다시 가게에 갔다 와야 되고 뭐 여러 가지 그게 있죠. 시간이라는 비용이 듭니다. 그죠? 뭐 다른 것도 있을 수 있겠지만 자, 이 문제점을 스스로 해결할 수 있는 방법이 무엇일까요? 얘가 스스로 그런 문제점을 해결합니다.
뚜껑을 컵으로 만들어.
손 들고
You talk about this X element. Right. Yes, of course. You can.
같은 거예요?
스트로.
케이블 열면은 스트로우가 나오는 케이블 열면
스트로. 스트로. 어텐션.
케이블 열면 스트로우가 나오는
And what next?
스트로가 어디?
손전에서 저요.
아,
장치를 쓰는 툴.
Okay, thank you. Really?
있다.
What?
조금을 아까 말씀하신 것처럼 이렇게 딱 열면 스트로 요즘 그런 거 나오잖아요. 저쪽도 이렇게 빨아놓고 안
근데 그건 한 사람만 먹을 수 있죠. 컵 없이도 흘리지 않고 먹을 수 있긴 하지만 서로 이제 병 옮기고 이런 걸 막아줄 수는 없어요. It's always maybe only one problem.
Yes. And really, we obtain. Thanks, very cool. You say.
방금
You
보고
say.
왔어요.
Okay. And please consider, we obtain new product according to your ideas. It was ideas number one because X element have similar function as bottle. Bottle hold water and it is stop water. Stop water and hold water, right? Similar. And I can increase size. I can increase size and obtain new kind of product. I increase ideality because I increase this part, I decrease these parameters. Not so much difficult. Next idea was, let's use tube. Oh, really? In our discipline, we like to talk about alternative system. And if I ask you about alternative system for hold of juice, you immediately remember about this product, yeah? This product, alternative system for this product. And as one important mechanism increasing of ideality, we consider merging of alternative system. Merging of alternative system, it is very popular mechanism in evolution of techniques, in evolution of products.
네, 지금 뚜껑이 도와줘서 문제를 해결했죠. 저절로 해결되긴 했는데 뚜껑이 도와줬죠. X 요소가 자 X맨이 나타나서 도와준다. X맨이 뭐냐? 있는 놈 중에서 뚜껑으로 한번 해보자. 왜냐하면 뚜껑이 왜 후보가 됐냐면 뚜껑이 하는 일이나 컵이 하는 일이나 비슷해요. 액체가 흐르지 않게 막아주는 거, 액체를 담는 거. 그래서 선택이 됐고요. 지금 빨대 이야기도 나왔는데 빨대는 뭐냐면 컵하고 경쟁하는 시스템입니다. 빨대는. 나는 컵으로 마시든가 빨대로 마시든가 두 가지 중에 보통 양자택일을 하는 게 약간 좀 다른 이야기일 수도 있지만 경쟁하는 기술, 경쟁하는 제품끼리 잡종, 하이브리드를 이렇게 만들어서 둘 다 있도록 하는 것도 되게 중요한 혁신의 방향입니다.
Let me say a couple words about merging of alternative system because you see it is not so much difficult. Alternative system, I can extract this system from alternative and insert here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for 4 peoples, I can obtain increasing of convenience, decrease time of application, kill of harmful function because, for example, we cannot together with you use one tube, right? We need use 2 tubes. Oh, not so much difficult way for obtain new realistic version of product from us. Merging of alternative system very popular scenarios, and you know these scenarios very well because every guys know what is in hybrid car, right? You know hybrid car, it is car with 2 motors, with two engines. One it is electrical engines, next it is gasoline engines. When we talk about merging of alternative system, we must define alternative system. It is system with similar target main function, but with different principle of operation only, with different design only. And it is very popular because you understand. I can show for you picture via this pointer. It's good. But if I need show for you picture from this wall, I need spend my time, spend my energy. Oh, why not? You know trend, reject mechanical level. You remember our example, principle 28, and you can immediately think, necessary think about different approach, necessary use laser point. Laser point and this mechanical level. Oh, I obtain new kind of product. I increase level of universalities. Because in short distance, I can use mechanical approach. Mechanical approach maybe more exactly for audience. In big distance, I can use electronic approach and obtain similar results. I increase ideality of this product. By the way, in this product you can found not only pointer, you can found pencils. Oh, two function in one technical system. One function show information, next function create information. And solve a physical contradiction, big size, small size. Principle, what kind principle?
늘었다 줄었다는 게 발명한 게 뭔가요? 네스팅.
Nesting doll, yes of course.
맞습니다.
Who say?
예.
Huh?
됐어요.
Oh, sorry. Nesting doll. Nesting doll or principle 15 dynamization. We will talk about again and again in our next days of education when we talk detail every mechanism, every transfer increasing of area.
자, 선생님들이 지시봉을 쓰는데 기계적인 지시봉이 있고 레이저 포인터가 있어요. 보통 둘 중에 하나는 가지고 다니죠. 어느 게 더 좋나요? 레이저가 더 좋나요? 더 멀리 있는 걸 할 수 있습니까? 근데 어떤 선생님들은 이걸 더 좋아합니다. 때릴 수도 있고, 우리를 집중하게 할 수도 있고, 뭐 이렇게 가지고 놀 수도 있고. 장단일장 일단 있습니다. 근데 또 멀리 할 때는 또 이게 낫기도 합니다. 보통 시장에 공존하는 경쟁 제품들은 하나가 완벽하게 좋고 하나가 완벽하게 지면 얘는 못 살아남고 장단점이 있습니다. 근데 이거는 지금 레이저 포인터하고 같이 있죠.
네.
그러면 이게 눈에 딱 띄면 그걸 가지고 갈등하던 고객들은 이런 게 있네 하면서 바로 잡습니다. 재미도 있을 뿐더러 멀리 있는 것도 하고 가까이 있는 거 때리기도 하고. 그게 이제 되게 강력한 혁신도 중요합니다. 둘 다 검증된, 시장에서 검증된 나름 고정 팬들이 있는 거를 딱 붙여놓으면 그렇다고 비용이 2배가 되느냐? 뭐 비슷한 부분은 공유하는 거예요. 지지하고 뭐 이런 부분. 이게 merging of alternative system, 대안 시스템의 병합니다.
If you open our template for execution of projects, you can see feature transfer as independent topic in execution of projects. Why? Because it is very important for every customers. Because every customer thinks how I can decrease risk in market for my technical system. Merging of alternative system absolutely reliability way for increasing ideality and decrease risk in market. Let's consider the next example about merging of alternative system and reasoning, how we can do it. You can consider system for removed wrong information. Step number 1 in the system. We have mono system. As you remember our previous education, step number 2 can be bi system, and you see bi system with 2 kinds of softness. Step number 3, it can be some dynamization, and by the way, you see chain in evolution, and it is our typical approach. We consider every product only as fragment from chain, and typical question in analysis: what was before? What was before? What was before? It is benchmarking analysis with big depth. If you know history of product, you can increase dramatically your knowledge about next step evolution of this product, according to our knowledge about popular pattern, popular trends. And you can continue, it is One step, two step. Next step, dynamization. Oh, we obtain dynamizated system for removed wrong information. Next step.
지우개가 샤프처럼 이렇게 누르면 나오는 지우개.
Next step, transfer to micro level. Principle 35, principle 36. Change aggregation condition of substance. It is solid body. Next step, let's think about liquid. Oh, really? Next step, we can think about liquid. And this approach can remove information via different principle of operation. We are using of liquid. We are using of mask substance. Okay, in this not good way, let's do dynamization. And next step, we can do dynamization here for increased viscosity. Absolutely similar principle of operation. Liquid, but it is dynamizated system.
타 분야에서의 트렌드를 보면 고체 상태에 글자 지우는 게, 그 다음에 액체 상태 글자 지우는 거 나왔으니까, 그 다음에 어쩌면 기체로 갈지도 모릅니다.
But in day number 3, we will consider detail what is mean dynamization. And dynamization, it is useful pattern. Joint, many joint. Next step, flexible materials. Joint, many joint. Yeah. Next step, flexible materials. Flexible materials. It can be tape. Oh, really? I can use tape, and I can calculate new version of product. Okay, you see full evolution of, not full, it's fragment. You see evolution of system for removed wrong information. Okay, why not? You collect important information, and you can immediately think, I small company, I have small money. For me, risk in market is very dangerous. I must think about low risk. For low risk, I can think, I can increase ideality via merging of alternative system and create for market. Absolutely not danger version of product. In this product, I have two working tool. One working tool can remove wrong information if you have pencil. And you see tape. You see this technical system. But small size.
테이프입니다.
And in this case, I can remove wrong information if I use U. I increase universalities. It is principle number 6. I increase ideality because I decrease the risk in the market. I increase reliability of technical system and increase area of application of technical systems. Okay, so maybe I'll show for you only one example. I can continue to talk about merging of alternative system long time, but I hope you will go to our level 3 education, and I'll show for you 10 examples how we can do it in practice. Last example. I have come. And
테이프로는
here's
볼펜을
this come.
지우고, 지우개로는 연필을
I have only one
지우고,
function.
아까 멀징 오브 얼터너티브스.
Okay, what disadvantage? For example, for this area, it is not applicable. Yeah, necessary decrease. Or I can again think about history of product and think there is comp with massage, with elastic system. Oh, this system can do massage. Can I think about merging of alternative systems, this and this system? Why not? Not prohibited. And you can see alternative system. Massage with big size and system applicable for special area. Increase idea, decrease risk in market. Yes, of course. Enough. Let me talk last remark about ideality. When we talk about ideality and when we apply this reasoning in execution of project, very often we must think about compare of technical system via ideality. In professional execution, we have special tool, main parameter of value. Main parameter of value is a systematic parametrical approach for compare different product and for calculate who is champion in market. Let's do experiment how we can apply it, how we can calculate ideality for several products. You can see two products. One product from South, you know, Timani. Next Timani from Busan.
교통카드입니다. T머니. 서울 거고 하나는 부산 겁니다.
Cost approximately similar.
비용은 비슷하다고 보고 가격을.
I have a question for you. How you can define where ideality higher? In Busan money or in Seoul money? What is it?
어느 쪽이 이상성이 더 높을까요?
부산기 나왔지.
Busan.
Busan.
Busan money.
Thank you.
You was first and you was second. Busan money, right? Because you understand structure language of your definition. Why ideality higher? Because I decrease size. Important parameter matters there. Amount of function. Let's compare amount of function. Function, hold money, charge money, lost money. Three functions, right?
유효한 기능은 세 가지입니다.
Similar.
돈을 저장하고 쓰고 뭐 이런 겁니다.
But in this case, you see small size and you see interesting additional function. You can use this function, for example, for your handphone, for smartphone. Why not? I have this. I can remove the system. I can use this system. Principle 24, intermediate, and it will be function number 4. Please calculate. Cost similar in Seoul 3, in Busan 4. Oh, really? Ideally high.
부산 T머니에는 핸드폰 손잡이로도 이렇게 연결해서 핸드폰 끄집어낼 때 쉽게 할 수도 있고 핸드폰 뭐 화면을 닦는 것도 있고 그림도 들어있고 뭐 여러 가지 유용한 기능이 더 추가되어 있습니다. 이상성이 더 높다고 볼 수 있죠.
Next product. For example, equipment for fishing. And we can consider equipment for fishing. Hook, function hold, yeah, catch. And cargo, function pull down, move down. Two functions. Okay, let's compare with this technical system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 hooks. Function hold down, and looks like a fishing.
저게 오징어 낚시
Cost,
아닌가요?
for example, channel, here, 2 channel. Yeah? Cost high. But let's compare. What's your opinion? Where ideality higher? In green example or in black example? What's your opinion?
저의 가격은 한 2배 정도 왼쪽 게 더 비싸다고 가정하고요. 이쪽 왼쪽 거는 낚시바늘이 10개가 달려있고 작은 물고기처럼 모양이 생겨가지고 큰 물고기한테 어떤 미끼 기능을 더 잘하고 무게, 둘 다 무게를 제공하고 그런 것 같고요. 어느 게 이상성이 더 높아 보이십니까?
Big size.
In green example, yes, of course. Not so much difficult calculate, right? Because here you calculate 2 functions. Here you calculate 3 functions. But function catch, please consider reliability. Yeah? If I increase amount of hooks, I dramatically, in 10 times, increase reliability because you know typical harmful function during catching of fish. If you use only 1 hook, very often your fish can escape. In this case, we can kill harmful function, increase reliability. And really, cost in this case high. But if you consider in a complex approach, you can define, oh, really, this device more efficiency, more productivity.
지금 큰 낚시바늘이 더 이상성이 높다고 유 박사님도 생각하시고 또 교수님도 생각하셨는데 사실 좀 주관적인 겁니다. 저는 다르게 생각하거든요. 그러니까 고객에 따라서 다를 수 있습니다. 나는 작은 물고기를 잡으러 작은 물고기를 사는 호수에 왔어요. 근데 낚시바늘 10개짜리 이거 내려놓고 3시간 기다려봐야 작은 물고기는 못 먹습니다. 너무 커서. 내 친구구나, 미끼가 나만큼 크네 이렇게 생각하지. 근데 큰 물고기를 잡으러 바다에 나간 사람은 저걸 쓰는 거죠. 그러니까 고객에 따라서 상황에 따라서 이상성은 다를 수 있고 사실은 엄밀히 말하면 여기에 인식된 자기가 느끼기에 이상성이 얼마나 높냐, 저 기능이 얼마나 많냐, 비용이 얼마나 많냐 그게 다 심리학적인 그런 부분들이 들어가 있고 타겟 고객 세그멘트를 어디로 둘 것이냐에 따라서 이제 달라집니다.
Last example about calculate of ideality in quantitative and qualitative approach. Let's consider 2 products from market. This product have one function, create fire. This product can one function, create fire. Cost, oh, here, little increase in cost. But
뚜껑이
what's
있습니다.
your opinion? Where ideality higher?
뚜껑이 있지만
In
비용이
this
높아지면
example,
뭐
yes, of course.
5% 10%
Maybe you smoker. Yeah. Every smoker know. If you hold your device in your back, you can obtain serenity.
쓰레기.
Yes. And after this, very difficult obtain fire. Necessary, harmful function, disadvantage, clear, absolutely clear disadvantage.
보풀하기 같은 게
What I
들어가서
must
안
do,
펴질 수가
I
있죠.
must
그것 때문에
protect
뚜껑을
my
닫고.
working tool. I protect my working tool. I spend maybe little money, but I increase ideality because I use harmful function.
But it is necessary to use two hands.
Why I can use one?
Ah,
Yes, one
This
hand.
is
그렇죠. 원터치.
Or
원터치.
아, one touch.
one touch.
One touch. Open and lighting together.
Next step, the dynamization. Absolutely correct, translator. Yes.
원터치.
원터치.
One page. Difficult to find this thought. I think not difficult. Fantastic, not fantastic. It is discrete mathematics. Okay, let me finish. Consider this part of ideality. Something later we will consider mechanism for decreased cost. And mechanism for decreased cost have name trimming. And you can find trimming in our template for execution project also, because every customer dream how I can decrease cost of my my manufacture process for obtaining increasing profit. How I can decrease final cost of my product in money, because in market every time we have competitiveness. Okay, thank you enough.
자, 그래서 이상적으로 봤는데요.